Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I received a painting in the mail that I had no idea. So it is truly a mystery painting, which is ironic once you watch me open it up because it's a mystery of a mystery. So stay tuned, I'll see you in just a minute. Well, look what I received this past weekend. This is an Amazon package. However, I am unsure of where it's from. I think it's Yo-Yo Crafts, but we're gonna dig in and see because I keep getting alerts that things are coming and I don't know what's what. So let's dive in and see what we have in here. As you can see, it comes in this white bag. Through the bag though, I can feel a box of some sort. Okay. Yes. So as you can see, it came in a bag, but then it has a box. And I am a true diamond painting addict because I have a diamond painting right here that I'm working on. I had to rip myself from it so I could do this video because I am enjoying diamond painting, which is what we all should do, right? Okay. Okay, so yes, this is from the Yo-Yo Arts, and it is the Cateared Mystery Diamond Painting Kit. It comes with a resin hand turn drill pen, a macaroon wax as a DIY gift, or that's what they call like the DIY diamond painting. Yep, so as you can see here, Cateared Mystery Diamond Painting Kit. And I was excited to get this because there's ups and downs reviews on these mystery kits. And I wanted to see for myself what's going on. This one advertised something special. So look how pretty this box is. I love this blue and gold. Oh my goodness, this box is designed really well. And we're gonna pull this out, see what's in here. Oh, this is cute. So this is that hand turn pen they were talking about. Looks like a resin pen with a single placer and a three placer. That's pretty cool. And then you get the Mosfa tray, which for those of you who are new just mean that it has that name on the back and it's slightly bigger than a normal white tray. Oh, I just threw the macaroon across the room. Now my friend calls this a cheeseburger, but this is the wax caddy that has the wax in it, which I love this as a little option. Keep your wax fresh, keep it away from your animals and your kids. Although my dog might chew that up and think it's a toy. Okay, so right here, they have the little mystery, and there's 10. And what I like is here, they don't have any color to try to help the mystery. And this is actually a pretty good size mystery painting. It is poured glue. It has their Cateared at the top. You can see a little bit what it is, but I don't think they could really help that too much. And here are the colors. And what's nice is even if you can tell a little bit what it is, I don't know, you probably can tell through the camera. I can't tell in person. It looks like some sort of wave, but I'm highly confused because it's not blues. It's grays and blacks. And they have it bagged up. And they put the number and the DMC code on it, which is great. Sometimes when it's bagged up, you'll get a stray at the top. I just open and reclose, drop that stray in with his family so he doesn't get lonely. Look at all these 310s. It is square. I'm going to pour these out so we can see about what they, you know, call them knobbly bits. So I'm going to use this bigger white tray just so I can pour out some more. Okay, so they look pretty uniform. There's a couple in there, but not too many. You know, I'm okay with a couple, as long as you're paying attention. If there's pieces of plastic around the outside of a square, they won't line up because they're supposed to be meant to be wall to wall. And so if there's a little bit of a hiccup, then you're going to have popping drills because they're not going to be happy being neighbors to each other. All right, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Now I will tell you, if you notice, this says B5200. That, and there's no B's in front of these colors. That is because this is glow in the dark. OMG. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing this as quickly as possible so you and I can tell how this glows in the dark, if it really does, and what it looks like on the canvas once it pops out and actually glows. So I'm super excited to do this. This will be one of my next WIPs. WIP stands for Work in Progress, for those of you new to the community. And I think this, let's measure this. It looks like it's a 30 by 40. When you do enough of these, you tend to get good at sizing. So we're going to do centimeter size, and it's pretty true as the drilling being the 30 by 40. It's like 39 3/4. It's 30 exactly. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's super sticky, and there's the camera in focus for you. You can see very clear symbols, and it's A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, which is really nice that they skipped over F, because that could be misconstrued because they already have a B and an E. I am very excited, guys. I can't wait to start this, and I will let you know what I think of the Cateared. So please see the description down below for a link if you want to go check it out yourself. I love that it's on Amazon as well, because that means it's Prime, which means you can get it in 2 to 3 days depending on your U.S. Post Office and COVID and all of that. You know, we're giving a little grace right now. Also, another thing is they do have it labeled My G01. And then on the canvas, it's also labeled, I thought, maybe not. Oh, well, usually it's labeled on the canvas, but it's not here, so you know it goes to this particular canvas. I am going to be able to roll this back up and store it in here, because it is poured glue. So once you flatten it, you can still roll it back up without hurting the integrity of the glue. So this is what I'm going to be starting next, and I can't wait to check them out. Give me a thumbs up if you want to check out more paintings with me down the road, and also subscribe. I'm going to be starting my How to Diamond Paint 101 this week, so you're going to want to, if you're new to diamond painting, definitely subscribe, because we will have lots of tips and tricks and how-tos of diamond painting. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.